Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the favicon of your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see right here, I can see all of the websites that I have created, and here I even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, we'll be using this website right here that I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. So guys, you can see now we are in our dashboard in Webflow, and here we can see our website. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and find the website for which we want to change the favicon. Now, after you have found the website, you want to go ahead and click these three dots right here that are under the picture of the website. Clicking the three dots, this will now open up this new menu with multiple options where you can either delete the website, move it, and so on. What we want you to do guys is go ahead and click on the settings option right here. This will now open up the site settings in the page. As you can see, now we can edit the site settings for our website that we have chosen. We have our general options, our member section, publishing, and so on. We want to make sure we are in general. And now let's go ahead and scroll down, and you can see that under the icons option, we have the option called favicon. And here we can change what we want to use. So you can go ahead and upload the new picture that you want to use right here. And after that, it will be automatically saved. And then you can go ahead and click on Save Changes, and you will automatically start using that new favicon for your website. But yeah guys, basically that easy. It's pretty easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.